lot of users use SDA to manage exactly the access control through the automation layer. In addition, they can log everything that happens in the platform. There is also a lot of usage that happens through IDE as a service where the IDEs are streamed to the browser. Wouldn't it be great to also have a complete oversight over this? I'm very happy to announce that we now can do session recordings of IDE sessions from every automation engineer and every external vendor natively in our application. Check it out.
So I am here on IDEaaS as a service session. I am ending the session now. So we have to wait until the session ends to see the session recordings. So the session is ended. If I go back to my session recordings list, if I refresh the page, I see a new session recording. So here you can see the duration, and if I click on the play button, we can watch the session. Here at the bottom I have some control buttons like increase the playback speeds, pause. And going back to my session recordings list, so in that list you can filter by username, by vendor, and that's the session recordings.